Are you a president or CEO of a manufacturing or distribution company, or even an entrepreneur with a startup, and are struggling with how to adapt your staffing level with the changing economy? As you scrutinize every line on your balance sheet, do you ever ponder if you could effectively flatten your organization and still fulfill your company's mission? Your shipping or logistics staff could be one group to review. You may ask, could we leverage technology and strategic outsourcing to allow us to reshape our current processes with little or no cost? Absolutely, and we can show you the detailed steps. But first, let's discuss what you can do right now. We facilitate access to many cutting-edge logistics platforms, which are designed to streamline the process of quoting, buying, and dispatching of LTL and truckload shipments. Wouldn't it be nice to have one enterprise-friendly TMS platform that captures every major market of LTL and truckload carriers and where the pricing outperforms your current pricing agreements? There are many reasons to have your carrier of choice, but many of our clients have felt their current carriers may have taken for granted their loyalty. If this is the case, then allow our 3 decades of experience to open the door to logistical innovation. A great place to start is your market analysis of your past carrier and vendor or supplier invoices. We can provide you with free tools to examine your current and past carrier shipment invoices to measure the comparison to the current marketplace. Our experience has been that you will discover significant savings in this side-by-side comparison, and then you will ask yourself, how would our current carriers respond to this significant rate disparity? We know the answer, but if you had this bit of information before you receive your next general rate increase, otherwise known as a GRI, it would be extremely helpful in asking the right questions of your current pool of carriers. Because many shippers and distribution companies negotiate their tariff rates directly with their carriers, your company's value is often concealed. We understand price is an important component with your carriers, but not everything, and you value your current carrier relationship. But if you knew the cards they were holding, how would this improve your negotiated pricing agreement? With our extensive experience with major top-level carriers and 3PL TMS platforms, we believe that Globaltron's GTZ ship is the premier choice because of its cutting-edge functionality and intuitive design that centralize all your LTL and truckload logistics into one productive team environment. This platform has consistently demonstrated that it captures the best in this digital TMS era. The best thing is, we provide free access for you to experience this platform's engineering and intuitive functionality. What we believe will impress you are the aggressive carrier rates secured from the top 65 LTL national, regional, and local carriers, and how these savings can be extended to your company. We make this analysis easy, and we believe it will impress you with the potential benefits to your company, bottom line. Again, to remove any obstacles, we provide a no-obligation test drive of these tools to experience the benefits it will bring to your business. The next opportunity is spot quotes for volume shipments. As shipments move through your operation, many will qualify as a volume shipment. This category could be defined by weight or lineal feet, and each carrier has varying interpretation and is often subject to an excessive length accessorial upcharge. Minimize this premium charge by securing a carrier spot quote. Next opportunity is piggybacking on our aggressive pricing for small parcels by leveraging our corporate discounts for your UPS or Federal Express ground shipments. You owe it to yourself to connect with our team of experts that operate in the small parcel industry. They consistently bring home real savings. With a minimal investment of time and no upfront cost, you can leverage our inside knowledge to identify key opportunities for savings. Let GRG Consulting guide you through the negotiation process with your small parcel carriers and enjoy the confidence of knowing that you are procuring the deepest discounts and best rates available. While this process may require a minimal time commitment of 3 to 4 hours over about 6 weeks, we have a proven savings record of 15%, 25%. Next opportunity is small parcel shipping is a critical component of the transportation algorithm for a growing number of organizations. While many companies take aggressive measures to manage their truckload and LTL shipping costs, small parcel costs often escape closer scrutiny, especially for small to medium-sized businesses. If your organization has not recently conducted a thorough audit of your small parcel spending or had a trained expert negotiate rates with your small carriers, there is a good chance you are leaving money on the table. As a global trans agency, we have partnered with a leading small parcel spend management solution provider to offer this service through a gain share model. Surprisingly, as many of the packages you ship may be eligible for refund due to carrier errors such as late deliveries, invalid residential surcharge, and other billing mistakes. Global Trans's small parcel solution leverages proprietary software to scan your small parcel invoices across 35 different audit points. Identify the errors and turn them into refunds that show up directly on your Federal Express or UPS invoice. GRG Consulting can help you capture small parcel savings and put it back where it belongs, with your bottom line. In summary, I invite you to explore the possibility of fortifying your shipping processes with contingency plans. Whether it involves optimizing small parcel shipments, optimizing inbound and outbound LTL or truckload logistics, or you simply want us to scrutinizing vendor agreements to ensure optimal value. There are avenues worth exploring to safeguard your operations against disruptions. At GRG Consulting, we answer these questions and help our clients determine their best approach. If you would like to view a more in-depth video of how we perform these steps to secure savings, then sign up for the free training video that dives deep into rate tariffs, pricing, and the power of a well-designed transportation management system to support your business. To gain access to our in-depth training video, follow the hyperlinks to our request form of simply first name and email, and you will receive a confirmation email with video link where you can review and share with your team. If you like what was presented in this training video, then you can schedule time on our calendar to have a productive chat. My name is Ken Mihalik, and my goal is to be your transportation resource and hopefully become one of your success partners.